Okay, this video is mostly for Mom, but also for anybody else who's interested. This is the miniature box, Dollhouse theater box I did. They're called little theater boxes. All these little elements were just flat pieces of paper that I folded and put together and glued into here. So if you turn on, I have also glued in lights. And if you turn on the light here, oh, it's so tiny, it's hard for my fingers. There we go. Ta-da! And if you look closely here, here's the bakery with cakes and French bread. This says Seasons Flower Shop. Here's a coffee shop. The second door there. And a bookstore that also has some newspapers and some miniature little books. The pages are empty, but you can open up them just a tiny bit there. So, and one on the table as well. There. A little telephone box. And a clock. And then things like trees and wisteria and such. Now all these tiny little elements are separate. This is some florists and craft dyed little plant bits. And these are those little foam ball things that you sometimes see. These are actually beads and separate wire. This is lace. These are those little canes that they use for nail art that you cut apart. This is just I've got rabbit hair on my hand. This is just fabric, not fabric, listen to me, paper that's rolled up, and then corrugated paper there, so, and wood elements. And you have to cut out everything. Like this paper that you see inside this little cabinet, I had to cut it out and put it in there and glue it. These are little seed beads that are glued in there to make them look like little coffee cups. These are snaps for your clothing snaps, and then bead caps glued together to make little chairs. So, but it is a kit, of course. As you can see, I didn't make all this, but even that little telephone sign was a separate tiny little piece of paper that I had to cut and glue onto there. So it's little fiddly work. We had a problem, Ryan had to help me fix it out, which is why I say we had a problem. With my lighting, it turns out some of my glue dripped down on the connectives, and we had to take this back out through this hole here, which is where you change the batteries. And when I got it back in, I couldn't get it to stay because you can't take this all back apart. And so that's why there's some glue on the outside. I'm going to see what I can do to clean that up a bit because it looks rather ugly. But this is my first one, so I'm happy with how it turned out. Put that back in there. And there's even two little dolls that you can move around. We can make this one go right up into the balcony here. Tuck him in there. Oops, well, he's facing the other direction, but you get the idea. They can move them around. Anyway, I made a couple doll houses in the past, and I really enjoyed it. And I just thought this was really fun to do. I love little fiddly bits. I love being creative. And I love little miniatures. And when I'm all done, you can view it on the stand or pack it away and store it if you don't have a lot of room. And there you go.